How to fix Steam no license error found. So first thing you can do is open your Steam and open your settings. Then click on interface and find client beta participation. Make sure it's no beta chosen or stream beta families. Then after that, you're gonna close this and go to the game that has a no license error found. Right click, click manage, then browse local files. Once you're here, go and search steam_api.dll. So what you need to do is actually to replace this file and add another file in your game folder. For that, we need to go to our Google and type steam_api.dll download. Then we'll have this. Click on this link and then download the latest version of this API DLL. Now go back to your Google again and this time type steam_api64.dll and then click on the link and then download the latest version. Once you've downloaded everything, go to your downloads and extract all folders. So the folders all have the DLL files that you need to copy to your game folder. So go back to your Steam and then click on manage, then browse local files. And then in here, you just need to copy and replace the DLL that's inside the game folder. Then after this, just restart your laptop and try launching the game again. Hope this helps.